morning. It is 2:50 a.m. I'm getting up to catch my 5 a.m. flight to LA. Super excited to see BTS, so let's see how it goes. I was like, oh my god, are we ever going to meet? We need it.
Face open 3.
We made it to our hotel, finally! Oh my god, we were at the airport for literally, I feel like 2 hours just trying to find each other. And then we were waiting for like another half hour for the bus, the shuttle, which we missed the first one and then had to wait for another one. And then we found our hotel room, which we don't have to go get ready in a closet. Yes! And now Hema's trying to connect the speaker so we can get properly ready. Yes! Oh wait, what happened? Wait. Are you ready? Oh! Yes, she has her army phone too.
I just took out the batteries.
We'll just have a, because I don't have one, but you know, imagine 2 of me. Fake love! Fake love! I'm so excited! Okay, now we're gonna put our makeup on. Wow, our view. Where are we going to eat, Hema? Mama. Mom. Hey. Switched it up, you know, Blackpink. Hey. Mom. Hey. How'd you like it?
It was so good.
It was so good.
I don't know where our stop is.
I'm trying to figure out Uber now, so. You're welcome. Wow, I am blinded. I can't even see what I'm like. Hey, you hit me in banging. Money.
Nice to meet you guys. I'm Jungkook.
Yes!
I'm Jimin. I like make some noise. I'm your whore. You're my whore. I'm Jay. Finally! Breaking North America with the Love Yourself 2. Which looks so 믿을 수 있을까 이 기적이 아닌 기적으로 우리가 건너
사랑이 산만한 너 완벽하게 내 모든 날 좀더 다 숨겨지게 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 피울 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어 I'm so sick of this fake love fake love fake love I'm so sorry but it's fake love fake love fake love
I wanna be good
Just for you
세상은 전해
Just for you
전부 바꿔서
Just for you
나는 너를
Who are you 우리 서로는 난 아무도 그냥 척할 수가 있었어 사랑이 사랑하는 너 완벽하게 내 모든 전부 다 생겨지게 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 피울 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어 나의 so bad 나의 so bad 널 위한 이건까지 숨이 줄게 너의 so bad 너의 so bad 널 지워내 이대로 해 나의 so bad 나의 so bad 널 위한 이건까지 숨이 줄게
가만히 자체로 보지 않기에 한 필요 있을까 서로 스쳐 부탁한 카드를 쥐고 있는 내 태도로 담아서 Alright 어떤 시스템 이제서 야 인생의 노래해 Alright 지겹던 시스템
I'm the one that you love in this world 빛나는 나를 소중한 내 영혼을 이제 않는다 So I love me 좀 부족해도 너무 아름다워 너의 온기 모두 다 진짜란 걸 부는 꽃을 꺼내서 잡고 싶지만 운명인 걸 Don't smile at me Lie on me 너에게 다가서 I can't show you me Give you me 초라한 모습 보여줄 순 없어 또 가면을 쓰고 있는 나로가 But I still love
you
my heart, so I'm really happy to see you guys today. Let's see each other for a long, long time, okay? God bless you, Amen!
수많은 별을 받기 위해는 떨어졌던가 저 수천 개의 찬란한 화산을 여긴 나 하나 You show me how I breathe in ocean of myself
Damn. So tired. My feet. Have a safe flight. Hey guys, so now I'm in my apartment and I'm going to tell you a bit more about things that I got that I didn't really show in the videos. When I got to the concert, I saw a booth and like me and my friend passed by and she has like the light stick already, but I was just like, oh, I don't know, it's like $50, so it doesn't make the whole concert experience, but I was wrong. Basically was like, oh, should I do it? And she's like, oh, the table's just over there, and so impulse buy, I bought one. I was thinking about buying it when they said like free shipping in the US. I just picked it up there and there was like a lot of them still left, or at least we got there like 3 hours before the show started. I'll show you what's inside. This right here. You can change colors, and then during the concert there was a concert mode, so it goes along to like the songs and the beat and it changes colors, and honestly was so cool. Like it was one of those things where made the experience even better. If I didn't have this, I feel like the experience would not be as fun. Cool. And it comes with a bag, and inside there's like instructions and then photo cards, so a photo of each member in here. On the seats there's fan projects that go on. They had like this on every seat, and it's like the banner. We held this up during one of the songs. I can't remember when, like it all just happened so fast, and I was like, oh. There was like some moments I was just like, was I even there? Like it felt so surreal. When me and my friend were waiting in line, there was a really nice fan who was giving out like cards and stuff, and this was one of them. So it's just them and their plush and characters they created and stuff. It was so cute, and she gave it to us. And then like me and my friend, most of the people in line, we like held it to like cover the sun because it was really, really hot. Since we got there like 3 hours before the concert. I don't really know why. We had seating, so I don't know. It was a pretty fun experience, and we didn't wait too long. I got there at like 3 and then doors open at 3:30, so it wasn't really bad at all. We just kind of like took pictures. We got inside through the security. There was a metal detector, put our bags down. It was pretty chill. I had like the ticket app where they just scan it and then they print out the ticket. It was so cool because like we have our own memory now, besides like the other stuff. I didn't really record much because I was like too busy like going along like with my stick and like singing along, and my voice is like not that great. Post like concert depression, whatever it's called, it is real. Like I just laid in bed and I was just so sad. I had to go take a shower, and then it sounds so dumb, but my Spotify and then like Trivia Love is part of their new Love Yourself album, and I literally almost started crying in the shower because I was like, oh my god, like it was so magical. I'm grateful that I had like the time and like I spent all this energy planning and waking up 2:30 Saturday morning and then coming back here Sunday morning at like 9 a.m. Like I remember during the Wings tour I had the same thought of going. I was like, oh, it's in LA, like the money and like getting tickets is gonna be so hard and like blah blah blah. And then this year I was just like, you know what, screw it. Like I'm gonna just go for it. And so I'm really glad I did. Look, from beginning to end I was like standing on my feet and like singing along, waving like the light stick around, and it was, oh my god. No matter like what seating area, like everyone was just so hyped. The concert didn't even start. There was like another hour. This was when I first bought like my army bomb. I was like chanting and screaming. Like for a second I thought the show already started, but I was just like, what the, like we have another hour. It was a real fan-girl experience. Sometimes you just gotta live your best life. I hope you enjoyed my little vlog, and I'll see you later then. Bye! Bye.